This is a tornado warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, Southeastern Duval County in northeastern Florida, until 7:30 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mandarin, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Baird around 7:15 p.m. Milkety and Durbin around 7:20 p.m. Ponte Vedra Beach and Sawgrass around 7:25 p.m. Palm Valley and Guana River State Park around 7:30 p.m. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Duval and St. Johns.